Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys, I'm going to share a video with you on how I'm going to be using the Stanley Toolbox with a combination of Worx Hydroshot for car cleaning. So this is a 25-liter water tank. It's enough for me to do the wheels and the pre-wash and the wheel arches, but it will all depend on how much water you really need. This is our bottom tank here. So what I have here is 4 mitts soaked in rinseless solution. Doesn't matter which one. Currently using ONR. What I have here is, this is part of the Worx Hydroshot system. This is their soap dispenser with touchless. I fill it up completely with touchless, the older version. Now this is a wheel cleaner. This is a wheel cleaner from Autobrite, diluted 1 to 10 this time. A bit stronger. I use it 1 to 20 normally, but it just happened to be I put a bit more. Now the middle section is where I keep all of the brushes. There's a lot more you can really fit in here. Now our final tray is where I keep the Worx Hydroshot itself. There's a lot you can fit in here. Unfortunately, these bigger spray bottles won't fit because the lid is too low, so it won't let you fit, unless you put them like this on the side, but there's a potential risk of leaking. But I keep a lot of chemicals in the car. However, these smaller spray bottles fit in easily if you have any of them. So on top of that, what we're going to put here as well is just a drying towel, because it's quite big and bulky, but it fits in perfectly over here. So I just fold it like this, and that's basically it. This goes on top. There's nothing more that we need, and you can secure it here with these 2 clips. Now this is all secured. We can also, over here also can be secured using these attachments. Now I also put additionally some towels that I use for finishing the car off. So that's pretty much it. Also almost forgot this ciphering hose for the Worx Hydroshot, and that's also secured here. Very compact setup, easy to carry. I'm using Bill Hamber's touchless for the wheels first. It helps to soften up the dirt and make the contact wash a bit more efficient. So as you can see, the water usage is very minimum. In between the wheels, I rinse off the brushes. So after I finish the wheels, I rinse off the brushes once more and then I clean them at home. So now we're going to use Build Hammer Touchless to do the pre-wash. Now we're going to rinse off the pre-wash. So this is it for the Worx Hydroshot. We're not going to use it anymore in this process. We're going to put it back in the box. And it's all very well organized. Everything has its place. Now we're going to do the contact wash using ONR, our rinseless car washing solution. So we're done with the car wash, guys. Now it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and I'll catch you in my next videos.